In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Cry of Fear in mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. It is possible for you to play Cry of Fear in mobile. However, in general, it isn't going to be a super smooth experience. This is because Cry of Fear is only officially available for PC, so if you go over to the Steam store, you can find Cry of Fear, download the game and start playing. However, you cannot do the same thing if you are trying to access the Play Store. So if you go over to the Play Store and you try to look for Cry of Fear, or even the App Store, you will find similar games, but not exactly Cry of Fear. So officially the game is not available on mobile devices. So this is why I have Steam Link highlighted here. You might have heard about Steam Link. Basically, this allows you to run something on your computer and stream the game over to your mobile device. This is going to be the easiest and most convenient way to have Cry of Fear running on a mobile device. Of course, it isn't going to be natively running there, but it is going to simulate how it would feel to play it on a smartphone. You will have the controls on your screen, so you will have the joysticks and the buttons, and you will use the touch screen to play, or you can connect a controller, which makes it even better. But this is going to rely on a strong internet connection. Because the game is not running on your mobile device and you have to stream it over, you have to use your internet. So you have to make sure that you are in close proximity of your router. The farther away you are, the more latency is going to have, and the less smooth the experience is going to be. And of course, another final disclaimer that I need to make is that for this method, it isn't going to be possible if you don't have a computer. Because the game needs to be running on a device and you have to stream it over to your mobile device, then you will need a PC as well. Besides this, there's no way to play Cry of Fear directly on a smartphone. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video showed you a way of playing Cry of Fear on mobile, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.